Indeed, a very good morning, Victor and Troy. As you've mentioned, the security around the Milimani Law Courts, where the Supreme Court is expected to deliver its judgment at around 12 noon time, is very heightened, and only a few people are allowed to access this particular place so far. So many roads have been barricaded. So far, to the far end, at the National Library, one is not allowed to get in from that particular place, and also from the roundabout at Integrity Center. All the roads have been closed leading to this particular place, meaning that only a few people and the people that have been able to see are mostly lawyers representing different parties, as well as journalists and security officers on standby, just waiting to get to hear how the judgment will be delivered, whether they'll be able to uphold the declared results that were the presidential election results that were declared on the 15th of August, or they'll be able to nullify the results, whether they'll be able to give orders indicating for a retallying of the votes that were cast, given what was expected from the 7 petitions that were consolidated and had in a span of about 3 days. Thereafter, the 7-judge bench, led by the Chief Justice Martha Koome, retreated to go write the judgment, and therefore, as of today, we expect them at around 12, as they had said that come Monday in the morning, they'll be able to give us a notice indicating when they'll be able to give the judgment, and they've already done that. So at about exactly 12 noon, we'll be set and ready to get to hear the judgment from the 7-judge bench. And what we expect from these judges is that they might give their judgment unanimously, as it was in 2013, or they might choose to focus their judgment on the 9 issues that they had stated out, which included on whether the presidential result or the President-elect William Ruto was able to meet the 50+ as required constitutionally, whether all the regulations in regards to elections were followed, among other issues. So we'll be following up to get to see how they'll be able to make their judgment come 12 noon today, and so that we can get to understand then what will happen if they'll be able to declare or to uphold the results that had been declared. That means then that the President-elect William Ruto will be sworn in the few coming days. And if they'll be able to nullify the results, then this means that the elections, the presidential elections, will be held in the next 60 days. So that's what you're expecting right now, Victor. The situation is very calm here at the Milimani Law Courts, where the Supreme Court is sitting. Back to you.